Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something most people never think about, the mistakes you make before applying your perfume that can completely ruin your scent. If you've ever wondered why your perfume doesn't last, or why it smells different on your skin, this video is for you. So before you spray, watch this. Part 1. The dry skin mistake. Mistake number 1. Applying perfume on dry skin. Perfume needs moisture to cling onto. If your skin is dry, the fragrance evaporates super fast, like spraying on sand. Always make sure to moisturize first. Use a fragrance-free lotion or body oil right after your shower. This locks in hydration and creates the perfect base for your scent. Pro tip: use a bit of Vaseline or unscented petroleum jelly on your pulse points before spraying. It helps the perfume stay longer and project better. Part 2. The wrong time to spray. Mistake number 2. Spraying perfume on your clothes instead of your skin. Yes, it might last on fabric, but perfume is designed to react with your body chemistry. That's what makes it smell unique and personal. The best time to apply perfume is right after a warm shower, when your pores are open and your skin is slightly damp. This helps the scent blend naturally and last all day. Part 3. Rubbing your wrists together. Mistake number 3. Rubbing your wrists together after spraying. We've all done it. Spray, rub, and go. But that's actually breaking down the perfume's molecular structure. When you rub, you generate heat and crush the top notes, the light, fresh scents that give your perfume its sparkle. Instead, just spray and let it dry naturally. Give your fragrance a few seconds to settle into your skin. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Part 4. Spraying the wrong spots. Mistake number 4. Not knowing where to spray. Perfume works best on pulse points, places where your blood flows close to the skin and releases warmth. These include your wrists, behind your ears, inside elbows, and the base of your throat. Avoid spraying too much on your clothes or hair. Some perfumes have alcohol that can damage fabric or dry your strands. Part 5. Mixing too many scents. Mistake number 5. Mixing too many scented products. Body wash, lotion, deodorant, and perfume, all with different fragrances, can clash and kill your signature scent. Try using unscented or lightly scented body products before applying your perfume. That way, your fragrance stands out, clean, pure, and exactly how it's meant to smell. So now you know the top mistakes that ruin your scent before you even spray. If you fix these small habits, your perfume will last longer, smell better, and truly become part of your personality. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fragrance secrets every week. And tell me in the comments, which perfume are you wearing today?